Home portrait on Thursday, May 15th, 2014. Horizontal Rains by Suzán Jiván, Mom, and my mom, Suzán. Horizontal rains, propulsively calibrated, reverbiating thwacks, buzzing gusts, erupting on a hunch of pure percussion. Like syncopated kink, kick drums, becoming undone. There's inundations, fall, upfront, brusquely, clunkily, new dousing lineups, marching, clad in pleated plaid, playing, piping, inflated, bags for clans, adorned with feathered caps, held together by leather chin straps, tasseled firefighters swagger, crisscrossed at right angles, while horizontal rains pour on parades. Buttoned up spats make spectacular splashes. Spectators commandingly clap in teeming passages. After wading up to their ankles, spiked Highlander plumes unfortuitously droop and collapse in a flukily fiery deluge.